Welcome to the new video. This video is all about Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro unboxing. So further ado, let's start it. The opening of the box. This first you will find the white paper box, then the phone. After that you will find the charger and the cable. When you look at the phone, the look is stunning. I have already booted up this phone. Here you can see this phone is look just amazing. Full metal build. It's gonna look like iPhone 10 in the back, but in front it's look like Xiaomi Redmi Note, Xiaomi Redmi 5. And talking about the specification, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 636 with 6 GB of RAM with 4000 mAh battery. And now talking about the camera, the best part about this phone is the camera. The camera is just amazing. The back camera is a 12 megapixel shooter. The clarity of this back camera is awesome. It's an f2.2 aperture camera, and the UI is typical Xiaomi UI. And the talking about the camera function, it has all the Xiaomi function of the Xiaomi MIUI. So, and the camera clarity is just awesome. I have taken lots of snaps. Here you can see the snaps, the details is just awesome. Talking about the front camera is also just awesome. Here you can see this is a camera, this is a sample I have taken. This is a selfie. Here you can see the clarity of the camera. Selfie camera is just awesome. The selfie camera is 20 megapixel. You can imagine 20 megapixel how is gonna be. The selfie camera is one of the most best camera I have ever seen. Back camera is 12 plus 5 megapixel shooter with auto detection, autofocus. Here you can see this is another picture of this phone. So talking about this specification more, this video, this phone is 8.1 millimeter thick. It has a Gorilla Glass protection. Which Gorilla Glass protection we really don't know, but the sad part is it's running on Android version 7.1.2 Nougat, but it's gonna get Oreo really soon. And the video is not capable of 4K, but front camera is also 1080p, but you can take some nice snaps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends.